So we began our journey with TDECU in 2006 when we moved here from Canada. My husband worked for Dow Chemical, so the Texas Dow Employee Credit Union just seemed to make a lot of sense for us. And so we came down here, and TDECU helped us get our mortgage, helped us to establish credit, which is actually a pretty big thing when you're coming from another country. You don't have any credit, so we just needed somewhere to call home, and TDECU was it for us. So TDECU, I think, has really just been an amazing support for me and my girls especially. My husband passed away from advanced prostate cancer when he was 49 years old. We had a number of investments in Canada as well as in the US, and a lot of his retirement investments and things like that, and it was just super complicated. So we decided we really needed a financial advisor, financial planner, and went out and interviewed a lot of larger companies. And we felt like they were giving us really sort of general information and general plans, but when I met with TDECU, they sat down and they interviewed me and they asked me questions like, when did I want to retire? What were my girls' plans for school and college, and how long were they hoping to go for, and where did they want to go? Just all those kinds of things. Did I need to purchase cars in the future for them? Weddings, all the kinds of things that I don't even think I thought about. And so when they came up with a plan for me, it was really specific to me and the needs of my family. And to me, they've just been amazing, so supportive and so helpful. And we joke that Matthew probably needs to have a little cape because he's like a Superman for us. He just has really come to our rescue and been a huge blessing for our family. He helps my girls with their investments, and he helps me with just everything, and even things that don't relate to finances. Sometimes I just need to talk them through with somebody, and he's always been there to kind of bounce ideas and things off of. So when we went to move, we decided we needed to downsize. Both my girls were going off to college. We had our house on the market and had this huge flood. We had a toilet that broke, and $72,000 worth of damage later. Holy cow. But TDECU Insurance was there to help us out with all of that and walk us through that process, and made it really pretty easy for us to get through everything, all considering the amount of damage that was done. One of the things that really, I don't know, felt good to me was when I walk into TDECU, it feels like it's home. Like I feel I'm not one of a million customers, and maybe I am, but they don't make me feel that way. When I walk into the door through the branch, I hear, "Hi, Mrs. Deicha, how are you? It's nice to see you, Mrs. Deicha." They know me, and they know what my needs are, and they make me feel like it's okay to be there, and I belong there, and I'm, not just some random person off the street. So they make me feel really good when I come to the branch to visit. I feel TDECU has a special place in our heart. I think they really came to our rescue at a time in our lives when things were super challenging and difficult for me and my family. Like, I don't think I can put into words how much they really helped us and just gave me the confidence to go forward and be able to make financial decisions. Like, building a house and buying a new home all by myself was a really big undertaking, but because I had Matthew there, I felt really good about the choices and decisions I was making. When you have to do things on your own, that's a whole different way of approaching life. I had a partner. We made all those decisions together, and he took care of most of the finances. I didn't take care of a lot of the financial aspects of our lives, and having somebody else there to talk through things with and help make decisions and make sure that I felt like this was doable and wasn't going to hurt me down the road. And definitely Matthew and TDECU has helped me feel like we're going to be okay for the future. And to hear those words, "you're okay," it might not sound like a lot, but it actually means a great deal to me.